Hey, to successfully set up Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, first of all, you will have to start for entering the pairing mode. So open the case with the both earbuds inside, click and hold on this button until this indicator starts changing colors. Now you can release. If it doesn't work, probably the battery of your charging case is for the 0%, so you'll have to recharge your charging case. In the next step, you will have to just grab your watch, swipe up, and you will have to navigate into the settings. There we go. Go to the connections, select Bluetooth connections, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and now you will have to scroll from available devices, select the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, click on the pairing button, and as you can see right now, it is finished. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.